So for the neck core, for May, we're just doing trap strokes, alternating the strokes. So you're standing on a band and you're just going to go one shoulder, other shoulder, one shoulder, full circle, other shoulder. Key thing you want to really work on is keeping that tongue on the roof of the mouth and keeping the spine tall even though the shoulder blades are moving around the body. So as I come up, so I'm trying to really stabilize my neck, mobilize each shoulder. So a full minute of those. Then we've got the jumps. So you start off for the jumps for the calf work is just doing just a little jump or even just a straight calf raise. And you want a little bend, soften the knees and really try and point the toes. And you can just do one at a time. Really try and get that toe point, extend at the hips, and then you can keep it continuous. Make it more plyometric. You can mix it up, use a rope, same with the other exercise, use dumbbells if you've got them. Key thing we're trying to do is stabilize the neck, the traps all through there, make that nice and healthy and get those calves and keep them really healthy, keep that suspension system healthy for life. 3 sets of that, 6 minutes.